What's here?
Hunter says, my mom and babe.
Look, I don't want you to stay with me, okay? That would make it walk.
Stop. Nope. I'll go prank this guy as well too. Well, you guys, Noah's here. And look at his hair.
Yeah, I'm there. Hunter says, my mom and babe. Hey, what's up?
What up, my mommy pig? Oh.
Hunter says,
I can't do the camera because I'm driving.
cool. And Hunter says, what's up, my mom and babe?
Nothing much.
Miss Payne said, not much, Hunter.
Breakfast with my dad and my nephew, and that's about it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Did you
Looks like
know?
we're gonna have a storm, doesn't it?
Yeah, there's just gonna be strong storms.
And did you know that I'm staying at Hunter's for 4 hours today instead of 3?
No, 7. It's gonna for 6. Uh-oh, Severe Fun is gonna watch for my area right now.
7 p.m.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
I just got a notification, Noah. Say Severe Fun is gonna watch for my area right now.
Cool.
Look at your hair, Noah.
What is going on?
Nothing much. Hunters just want to
Did you
judge
get
my
your
hair.
haircut today?
I'm not gonna get it till tomorrow.
No, tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Well,
what are you guys?
I'm sorry. What?
What are you guys doing today?
Nothing. Staying indoors because bad weather coming in. So our walk is canceled till I come back the next time I visit. I don't know.
Okay.
But I think we can still go outside just before it's gonna rain.
Hunter, my friend Hunter don't mind.
Hold on a second. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I unplugged from the car so I can be on
Cool.
camera.
Yeah, you're on camera. Say hi. Hey guys, so my friend Hunter just gave me a call to say that he wants me to stay till 7 p.m. So I'm cool with it. So I'm staying for 4 hours today, and so, well, unfortunately, guys, I just don't have Manette's phone number anymore because I decided to probably watch TV now. So look at Hunter's premiere videos, and you should probably see it. Anyways, we just received a notification from us saying that there's gonna be bad weather coming in, but we'll try to be out the door before 3:30. And then I texted Hunter on the way asking if I have been to the Blue Ridge Mountains, and then I was like, "Yeah, I've already been there." And I'm like, "What?" Yeah. So I'm like, "It's just for a day only," and then I returned back. So today we're just gonna do a 2-day film because
Nah, just wanting a time.
So Hunter don't mind doing a 2-day film because I texted him about that and he's fine with it. So yeah, we're good. Anyways, see you at 3:30. Head out on the road.
Yeah, we're like lovers.
See you guys on the road at 3:30.
Yep. Yeah, we're still look like lovers.
Yep.
We're lovers now.
Hey guys.
Hang on, I got my air horn right here. But this one is a mini one, but it's a little trumpet one. So yep. What are you doing, Noah? What are you trying to do? Whoa, that was loud. Noah? You stay. That was wow. I was like loud echo, man.
All right.
Nope.
Beaver World.
Nope.
Hey guys, so
Do
Hunter
you-
wants me to stay with him because that would make him
And
more
watch.
happy.
Yeah, you think that's a good prank, huh?
That's not a good prank.
This is just in the way. There.
Thank you.
Alright, so yeah, me and Noah were so. Whoa, what's on the dirt on the ground? So yeah.
There's nobody behind you. Go.
Wanna wait.
Go ahead. Look.
Yeah. Bye. Is that a man?
Huh?
Is that a man?
There's no man.
I thought he just hang outside. I'm like, what the hell? Oh wait, I just heard some. I heard some neighbors shouting. I heard them yelling. They were like, "What was that?" Whoa, the wind is blowing.
We came back around to put the trash can back where it belongs.
Well, guys, we just come back around and we had to decide to put that up because I'm concerned that the neighbors might get mad. So we're coming here to fix this and put it back where it belongs. All right, there we go. Now the neighbors won't know it, so know we knocked the trash cans down. You know, we just had to come back and put it back where it belongs, so the neighbors won't get mad. Good. Yep, problem solved. Here's back with me and Noah again. Whoa. Yep, that was loud. Next one was it. You in your mouth. Open your mouth. Please. Yeah, open. Hey, don't face away. Don't face away.
Never mind.
Well, that was loud.
Bye.
I'm like, nope.
Okay, I'll stay. I don't stay with Hunter. I'm sorry.
Why, does it smell like air compressor?
Yeah.
It's air compressor? Oh. Oh, here comes another person's car. Whoa. That was loud.
Yeah. You just hung in that Chevrolet car. That might be an Olivia's.
No?
Maybe Chrissy's. Maybe it looks like Chrissy's. Maybe Max, Jake's, Blake's. I don't know.
2, 1. Yep. Bye. Prank that guy. I'll go prank this guy as well too. Sorry. Yeah, guys. So yeah, we actually took off running because I thought the guy or two guys, I thought that they came outside wondering. They're like, "Who did that?" So yeah, we had to go start running just before these two men come out and go find out it's us. We're trying to make sure we're keeping the secret. When they come out there, they will tell it's a prank. That's why I call it air horn prank on neighbors. Ha ha ha. I might do it to this guy's house too. It's a prank. Ha ha. Yep.
Hey guys, so I had to run from bugs because I'm scared of them. But I'm scared of bugs.
Oh, sorry.
But you guys are not scared of bugs. And some people are. Alright, see you inside the house.
We were all running. I mean, run. We were all running, huh? Yeah. Good for exercise, huh? Got a good exercise, man?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, looks like we're being separated again.
We got back to my house, so I decided to do hand crank siren test for my friend Jake. But here's the siren test.
Text Jake to see if he hears it.
Siren test complete. Now back to Noah.
Hey guys, so sorry we couldn't film because Hunter's phone was messing up because he had to turn it off and turn it back on because his iPhone storage might be full.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
know.
No, it's not. Because I think it's just malfunctioning for a reason.
Yeah, it just kept on messing up. So yeah.
But it didn't pop up. It did not pop up. It says iPhone storage full at all. It ain't no problem. I think it's just kind of for something else might be messed up. I don't know why. But at least it's working now. No. No, where are you going? Get on this side. No? No? No?
This side's fine.
Just kidding.
Hey, I gotta show my friend. Hey, come on.
What?
Hey guys, did you know I bought a watch? Cool, it's just my mom's, but don't worry. Bye.
No, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Well, you guys, I'll go sound it off of... Sorry about that. That was a Snapchat. Anyways, I'll go sound it off over there with my air horn. But here goes nothing. I'll go sound it off. Oh, that was loud. Yeah. I bet Jake can hear that.
Hey guys, so
Here, put it. No, open your mouth.
So,
Open your mouth, please.
hey guys, so
Open your mouth.
hey guys, so
Give one your boy to your mouth. Come on.
Okay,
Come
I don't know
on.
what's going Hey guys, but we're back outside. No rain out now, and we're good. Bye.
No, it's not over. Stay still. Stop moving. Don't stop. There. Don't stop. Yeah, go. Okay. Alright, we're gonna Noah's gonna blow these over here. Wait. Alright, ready? Hold it up.
Ready?
Yeah. These girls didn't like the noise. Well, my air horn that I gave it to him. I don't know what's going on.
Hey guys, so the girls don't like the air horn, but gotta cross.
Oh wait, we look like lovers. I'm a gay. Wow, Well, you guys, it looks like it's gonna rain, so we just have to go ahead home. So yeah, at least we're home now. So yep. So I know all with me. He's not going home until 7 o'clock. So yep.
Hey.
What?
I'm staying for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours.
From 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Yep. So yeah, alright, we're heading back inside now. Alright, we're inside the house now because there was a yellow part that's about to come in. It looks like it's gonna about to rain now. So yep.
Hey guys, so we were inside just in time before rain starts, and I'm like, what? Yeah.
We're here. Well, the time right now is 6:25, and Noah's mom will be here around 7 o'clock.
And guys, tomorrow I'm gonna have my hair, my long hair will be gone because I don't know when mine is supposed to grow. I don't know, but it'll grow after I get my haircut tomorrow. So I don't know. But Hunter's gonna miss playing with it. So yeah. But it's gonna be long. Yeah.
Look at your hair. I don't wanna say goodbye to your hair. Well, I know your hair will be cut tomorrow. What time you're gonna get your hair cut?
I don't know. Probably in the morning.
In the morning?
Yep.
Yeah. So, yep.
Hey guys, so my mom got here a few minutes early today before 7 o'clock.
Look.
And I'm like, that's cool.
Hold on.
So,
I don't know what's wrong with the focus, but here's the time. It's 6:50 right now, but you can see it. Anyways, it's not even completely 7, but she got here a few minutes early.
so
Noah's
yeah.
mom, yeah.
Alright guys, well, hold on.
What?
Let me turn it off. Sorry guys, I had to deal with my watch. Anyways, my mom got here a few minutes early before 7, and I'm like, that's cool. Well, unfortunately, it stopped raining outdoors, so we can't film outdoors because that's going to cause a problem. So indoors will be great.
Well, I'm gonna miss your hair. Well, unfortunately, his hair will be gone tomorrow. So yeah, I wonder if I might be able to play with it because, well, it'll be gone.
Well guys, we're going to have to do inside film today because it's too wet. So yeah. Well guys, that's all we have for today. Well, please subscribe to Howard Boys channels, click on the bell, press the like button, and turn on all notifications. And well, sadly, I'm gonna miss my hair that Hunter used to play with. So yeah.
Yeah, it'll be short.
Yeah, it'll be short tomorrow, so. Alrighty guys, well, I gotta get going. My mother's been waiting on me, so we're good. Me and Hunter, we will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. What'd he say?
Peace out. Bye.
Bye.